Hi, Mark. Did you know that Semprus Ways provides you with an exclusive benefits package to support your well-being? And there are 3 benefits you are not enjoying yet. This short video summarizes everything you receive through being a partner in connecting millions of lives daily. Watch it until the end to know how to redeem your benefits today. You receive a fixed amount of pay, which totals the amount shown on screen. Did you know that Semprus Ways provides you with a benefits package to support your well-being? You are not currently part of the Semprus Ways scheme. You are missing out on employer contributions to your retirement savings. You are already enjoying a wide range of health and protection benefits such as life assurance, occupational sick pay, access to a medical cash plan, and our partner assistance program. The total value of these benefits is shown here. This is what the company spends to provide you with these benefits. Altogether, this is the total value of your rewards here at Semprus Ways. We also offer a variety of voluntary benefits. Here are some key benefits which you may not be taking advantage of. Why not head to the My Benefits section of the intranet to find out more? Thank you for your partnership. Don't forget to redeem your benefits today. Head to the My Benefits section of the intranet to find out more now.